The Beatutiful Calculator is a skinnable basic calculator written in Delphi programming language made in Russia. The software is shareware and limited to 14 days according to the license. It's able to perform most of basic calculations and functions like on those basic pocket calculators, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, reciprocal, square root, decimals, and memory functions. I've barely used memory functions as it always messed up with calculations. There are three skins: bright, sphere, and default. Sphere skin has purple sphere buttons and bright skin is a mess. Help file is just basic stuff. It says that it's analog of the standard Windows calculator, but it isn't. Also, it mentions some new skins technology, aka super skins, not like Winamp. Calculator calculations page should be read only by people who never used any calculator in their life. Registration page shows the advantages and procedure of registration. The only advantages are unlimited free program updates and support with a cost of $12. I've checked the archive site when this version was released and that is 1.2. However, everything is pretty much empty. There are new versions, but I've taken this one for review anyway. Only second link is available. When it comes to skins, there's a band line that is the first skin from their collection. They hope that it's pleasant, but we'll never know that because it's not archived. Second is media skin. Look at this guy. Yes, today is cloudy, but we want good weather. The only surprise in here is that it's also not available. Back on the homepage we travel a bit later in 2001, where we have version 1.3, but also a special offer for educational organizations that costs from $15 for 10 users up to unlimited for $200 or bucks. Let's compare this calculator with a standard Windows calculator with just two simple tests that this calculator will fail on. First one is accuracy, where we enter equation 1 divided by 9 multiplied by 9. Basically 9 divided by 9 is 1. Windows calculator returns 1, which is correct, but Beatutiful Calculator returns 0.999, etc., which is incorrect. Second one is a percentage function. Windows calculator returns a percentage on second one and calculates whatever operation was given. However, Beatutiful Calculator only returns a percentage on second number, and after that it doesn't allow you to continue with a given operation, which is multiplication in this case, because other operations won't allow percentage for some reason. The software has a 14-day limit, but how far can you use it? Even after changing the date for 2 or more weeks, it will work. However, it will stop working only after 30 days and not 14 in this case. After that, you'll have to register it. I'll just enter registration code but not reveal the actual code. After registration, you get congratulations. Conclusion: $12 for calculator with super skins, and no further advantages will be a waste of money and overkill for educational purposes. And for conclusion, I'll just to show how does it look when you get error by getting reciprocal number of 0 on all 3 skins, along with Windows calculator. Windows returns positive infinity error, but Beatutiful Calculator returns error with no explanation. Also, the word itself looks creepy on those skins, especially on the purple one with that O. It's not 0. That's it. Bye.